Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about the history of what to post on YouTube for beginners. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax, and get ready to start living the life of your dreams. Enjoy the video. For more information about the history of what to post on YouTube for beginners, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. The link to my website is in the description box below this video. What to post on YouTube for beginners. You can easily be a master of what to post on YouTube for beginners because learning it takes very little time. Learn what to post on YouTube for beginners and you can be sure that you will have a limitless income as a result. Here is what to post on YouTube for beginners, the advantages and disadvantages. The advantage of posting a video for beginners is that you can share great things with others. What to post on YouTube for beginners is also a great way to be heard by others. It's much easier to tell others to listen to you when you are presenting something in a good light. It is also a great way to find others interested in what you are offering. In this way, you'll be able to grow your business. The disadvantage of posting a video for beginners is that you don't get the chance to do anything else. The advantage is that you get to interact with others while you're recording. It is a great way to be heard and to build a relationship with others while you're trying to sell your product or service. You are not limited to doing one thing. Another advantage is that people can join your business while you're learning how to make videos. For example, if you want to be in the film industry, your business may only need to attract people interested in film. If you want to develop a website, you can learn how to create a video about that as well. When you build your business with video marketing, you'll be able to expand to other types of products and services. The disadvantage of this type of marketing is that you may not be able to do it as much as you would like. The key to this type of marketing is that you need to be creative in order to achieve success. If you focus on your craft, you will be able to showcase your talents and abilities. This is the only way to make sure that you make a lot of money. For video marketing, you may be able to build your business by having a blog. You can use blogging to promote whatever it is that you're promoting. People don't have to visit your website unless they have something to buy. However, if you're promoting an ebook or a book, you will need people to be able to read it. The advantage of using blogging is that it gives you a chance to speak directly to your readers. You can talk about what you want to share with them and how to get started. There is no way that you can convince people to buy your product if you don't know what they're interested in. Video marketing does have some disadvantages. First, you're not allowed to make money. Second, you may be restricted in what you can promote. Finally, you may not be able to communicate with as many people as you'd like, but you can be assured that the popularity of video marketing is only going to grow as the internet continues to become more popular. Learn how you can make money online with YouTube videos. Do you have a lot of time on your hands, but can't seem to find some great YouTube video ideas? Then you are going to want to stop reading and take action today by signing up for the new course that can give you all the ideas that you need. This course is called The History of What to Post on YouTube for Beginners, and it's going to give you the exact ones that you need to start uploading to YouTube today. Plus, it will give you the ones that will be able to get you thousands of views for your videos in the coming weeks and months. Are you ready to take your YouTube video marketing business to the next level, with more income and more opportunity for a huge sum of cash? Then I want to tell you that you need to register for this course right now. The best part about this course is that you will be able to get unlimited access to the program, which means that you will be able to upload as many videos as you want. If you didn't already know, there are literally thousands of YouTube video ideas that you can use to help increase your profits, and the history of what to post on YouTube for beginners is going to give you the 100% guide that you will need to get started. The best part about using this course is that it will not only teach you how to make tons of money on YouTube, but it will also give you the knowledge that you need to make people pay you to watch your videos. This means that you will have to think a little bit outside of the box because most people are tired of the same old videos that they are making all the time. Thanks for watching my video about the history of what to post on YouTube for beginners. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.